Greetings to all who are watching. Today's video will be dedicated to the portrait. To sketch on a primed and tinted canvas, I use a white soft pencil. I begin with the general forms, large objects of an interior, lines of clothes. At the end, I vaguely set the background, keeping the rhythm of the pattern. Nature outside the window is full of life. Silly little sparrows accompany the last warm days with jumps and loud twitter. The sun is not bright, covered with soft clouds, which allows the light to dissipate and evenly fill the room in the canvas. I mix oil paints with linseed oil to the state of thick sour cream. I prefer to start with a classic set of primary colors, and already due to the mixing in different proportions, get more complex. Thanks to this, with each mix you will get a different result, and the pictures will not be monotonous. In contrast to the sketch, the work with the paint begins with the background. I will not draw it too carefully, it should not distract the viewer's attention from the person's face in the portrait. Simple and massive patches are made with large strokes. The transition to small details starts from the upper corners of the canvas, so that you don't accidentally get your hands on fresh paint. Reflection in the mirror, I paint a little blurry, creating a depth of space. The colors of reflection differ from real ones due to distortions created by the surface of the mirror. Skin color will be more earthy, shadows more severe. Rest for the eyes, a large dark blotch of a jacket with transitions in blue and fabric creases. In this portrait I want to tell the story of a woman who worked all her life as a nurse. So I added a stethoscope and a tonometer that were her companions from the earliest day of her entry into the medical staff. I paid special attention to the drawing. Ignite the skin tone and go to the main element of the picture, the person's face. Carefully apply the foundation with a slightly exaggerated difference in the shades of the skin. I close all the naked areas of the canvas to focus on creating the shape of the face and its similarity to the portrayed person. The face is the most important part of the portrait, and the eyes are the most important part of the face. It is necessary to try to convey a specific side of the eyes, because thanks to him a person can look benevolent or inimical, tenderly or rudely. Lightly sensual eyes in the picture take possession of viewers' attention and force them to come closer. I give life to lips, filling them with blood. I add a small detail, a gold earring with amethyst, complementing the color of the lips. Haggard, strong hands, an object of pride for the old woman, make the composition complete emotionally. Do not hesitate to draw wrinkles and imperfections of the skin. All this I consider a vivid proof of life, lived in a storm of events, emotions and struggles. Almost done. In anticipation of rest, the brush begins to dance nervously on the canvas. Everything rises into place and acquires integrity.